In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this digital era, critical thinking and digital literacy are vital to addressing global challenge. This speech to explore effective strategies for integrating digital literacy into education and fostering critical thinking skills among youth. Well, my name is Olivia Muhammadatul Zahra from Nurul Jadi Junior High School, and today I would like to give my speech, and the title is Improving Youth Critical Thinking, Implementing Digital Literacy Toward Young Generation Education. Ladies and gentlemen, we have already heard that the nation features less Indian of us, the younger generation. But how can we become wise leaders capable of bringing about positive change? One of the key factors is critical thinking. Critical thinking isn't something new. Plato, a great philosopher from Greece, once said, "The unexamined life isn't worth living, a life deeply considered and examined." According to Plato, is a life of greater meaning. This means we should reflect, question, and not accept things at face value without thinking them through first. By thinking critically, we can gain a deeper understanding of life and make wiser decisions in modern educational perspective. John Dewey, a prominent educational figure, states that education is not about gathering knowledge, but also how we use that knowledge to solve problems. Dewey emphasized the importance of reflective thinking. That thinking doesn't just set things at the surface, but also consider various aspects and impacts of every decision we make. In this era of globalization, we are flooded with information from various sources. However, not all information is true or beneficial for us. That's why literacy is important in our lives. Because with literacy, we can filter information and discern what is true and false. According to UNESCO, improving literacy skills throughout life is an intrinsic part of the right to education and brings with great empowerment and benefit. Meanwhile, digital literacy is defined as the ability to access, manage, understand, integrate, communicate, evaluate, and create information safely and securely through technology. In 2017, UNICEF says that digital literacy builds the young generation's ability to have good critical thinking. Nevertheless, the quality of reading and literacy in Indonesia is among the lowest in the world. In 2022, the literacy rate in Indonesia was 92.8%. However, a study by the Program for International Student Assessment (PICA) by OECD revealed that 70% of students in Indonesia have low literacy ability. This, in turn, impacts the young generation's ability. Therefore, they are to improve their literacy ability to develop good critical thinking skills. Ladies and gentlemen, to address this problem, there are several solutions to improve critical thinking toward young generation by digital literacy. These include, first, requiring every student to write article on digital media platforms or social media. By writing articles on digital media platforms, students can improve their literacy ability by researching references to create their content. Second, enhancing research soft skills in fostering student creativity in the globalization era. Well, let us start now. Let's improve our critical thinking, not just to become a smart generation, but also a wise one. Remember, the future is in our hand. If we want to have a better world, let us pave the way with burning passion. Be a generation that thinks deeply, acts bravely, and lives with love. Let us realize the great dreams to aspire to, starting with the small steps we take with critical thinking and become the leaders we envision. Because in our hand, great change will surely come true. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe that's all I can deliver for tonight. Thank you very much for your nice attention, and the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.